If you had one skill for ultra success in dental sleep medicine, it would have to be mastering the middle. Everyone's excited at the beginning. They've got people on the sidelines cheering for them in the marathon, being like, oh, yay, good job. Everyone's at the end cheering you on at the race finish, but it's mile 3 to mile 22. It's the middle. It's the mundane, terrible, brutal, unending middle. And if you think to yourself, this is the part where people stop, and this is why they don't win. That is the skill, that is the muscle. Those are the people who are ultra successful. They can move the milestone forward so that they're counting down. They're like, okay, I got 6 more times to go. I have to do these 3 miles, or only 24 times do I need to do these 3/4 of a mile. And they create games for themselves to keep themselves going and increase the rate of reward per unit of time. Because if you have to run a marathon, the only reward at the end is miserable. You're never gonna make it if that's the only reward. But if you can reward yourself as frequently as possible throughout that process, you're gonna continue to run because you only have to run for this much longer.